Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be attempting to change the roof on my Mark 1 MX-5. I think it's a mohair roof, pretty much brand new because my old roof is quite leaky. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to pull the car out of the garage and start stripping all the components around the roof down so we can start dismantling it and then take the actual roof off to replace it with the new one. And now for a lovely cold start. What a beautiful sound. Probably stand up the way actually. So looking at this, I think just need to take off these. And then I think these are on the other side. And this down here. I know there's something under here as well. Okay, I'm gonna start using this. Doesn't say what size it is though, but it's a Torx bit. Yeah, as you can see, a little bit stuck now, which isn't great. So the next part is to see all these little individual bolts, is to take all of these out and hopefully don't lose any of them. So I've taken all the bolts out, and this is like I think this is what they call a ring rail or something like that. Got a collection of the bolts here. They are a bit rusty and everything like that. It's an old car, what you expect. So now I think just get all these off to basically, and then the roof should come away from the car hopefully. So let's give that a try. There we have it, a roofless MX-5 roof. So guys, one thing I would recommend doing is if you have the zip on the back of your roof, I would recommend undoing it, because it gives you much more freedom to be able to check whether everything is sat inside the holes and lined up with the back of the car properly. So if you have the ability to do that. It will make your life so much easier when you come to actually making sure all the rain rail and everything is connected with the actual roof and the rubber parts. Here you go, guys. This is the new roof. All on. Just needs to be bolted back in this part and this part here. And all these match up now. It's looking pretty good now. Fair play. Hey guys, so if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe. I have more videos on the MX-5 coming soon, and also any other cars that I do buy and other little projects and stuff like that. There's plenty more to come. I'm just getting started, so we'll go from there and hope to see you again in the next video.